professionals offers a scaffold of support and insight. Crucially, mentorship can be a beacon, guiding through murky waters of technological challenges and ethical dilemmas. Finding a mentor with experience in AI can open doors to new opportunities and provide critical career guidance. Remember, in the ever-evolving tech landscape, your network is your net worth in the tech world. AI doesn't sleep, and neither should your curiosity. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, staying informed is crucial. Make it a habit to regularly check on the latest trends, tools, and technologies that are shaping the field. Follow influential AI researchers on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Engage in online forums and communities where cutting-edge ideas and projects are discussed. This continuous learning process will keep you connected and competent in the dynamic world of AI. In the world of AI, being a lifelong learner is not an option but a necessity. Tech skills are crucial, but soft skills seal the deal. In the realm of artificial intelligence, the ability to effectively communicate can distinguish a good technologist from a great one. Teamwork transforms a group of individuals into a powerhouse of innovation, while adept problem-solving ensures that challenges are not just met, but mastered. These skills are not just add-ons, they are essential gears in the machinery of interdisciplinary collaboration that drives AI forward. Balance your technical prowess with strong interpersonal skills. To thrive in the future of AI, preparation starts today. Let's quickly recap the journey we've explored together. Start with a strong foundation in the basics, dive into hands-on projects for practical experience, and build a network through mentorship. Always keep yourself updated with the latest in AI, and don't forget to hone your soft skills. These strategies are your toolkit for success in the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Forge your path in AI, and let the sky be your limit. Start today and never stop learning.